Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. If you want to rank your website on Google first page, then a keyword is very important for your website because a low competitive keyword is very easy to rank on Google. So today I share how to find out a low competitive keywords for your website. So don't skip the video and never forget to subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. At first, go on your search box and write here keyword generator. Then you can find out at first Ahrefs website, and this is a free tools from Ahrefs. Then you can find out a box are available here and give here your targeted keyword. My keyword is best food to eat. Then select your targeted location from here. Okay, I select my targeted location, then click on Find Keywords. Then you can see here is many keywords are available. First keyword is best food to eat when sick, and keyword difficulty for this keyword 47. Keyword difficulty means keyword difficulty gives an estimation of how hard it is to rank in the top 10 organic search result for a keyword on a 100 points scale. So, keyword difficulty means keyword competitive. How competitive keyword? So, best food to eat when sick. Keyword difficulty is 47 and monthly search volume is 5.3k. The second keyword is best food to eat before drinking, and keyword difficulty for these keywords only 22. I recommend it for you if you take a keyword difficulty maximum take 30 because keyword difficulty under the 30 it is very easy to rank. So I take this keyword best food to eat before drinking because keyword difficulty for this keyword only 22 and monthly search volume is 1.8k. Then take a Google sheet for your keyword research, and my keyword is best food to eat before drinking. Okay, now copy monthly search volume 5.3k. Now keyword difficulty only 22. Okay, now you can see here is another keywords best food to eat with antibiotics to avoid nausea. Keyword difficulty for this keyword only 23 and monthly search volume are 1.4k. This is great. So I am take this keyword. Okay. Now keyword difficulty keyword difficulty and monthly search volume is 1.4k. Okay, you can find out here is another keyword for keyword difficulty 28. So I take this keyword. Okay, monthly search volume is 1.1k. This is great. And keyword difficulty is only 28. Okay, you can see are many keyword are available, but keyword difficulty is not available. You have to mind it. It is a free tools. Uh, so don't worry. Take another tab and again go on this website and copy these keywords and paste here. Then click on find keywords. Then you can find out keyword difficulty for this keyword. You can say best 4 to 8 before working out keyword difficulty for this keyword 63. So I don't take this keyword. I take this keyword. Okay, and paste here. Then you can find out many keyword like this. Okay, we can find out here is another keyword available. Keyword difficulty only 25, and here is search volume monthly 14. Don't take the keywords for search volume under the 100. Okay, this way you can find out your keywords for your website. Thanks for watching and stay with us.